Hi, how's it going? So today we're going to be installing the Mivv, if I'm pronouncing that right. There's new exhaust for the F900R 2025 version. We're going to install that today. I'm going to cut to obviously after we installed it rather than showing you the full install. I'm going to do a before, what it sounds like before, and obviously what it sounds like after. I just want to say a quick shout out to everyone that's followed, subscribed, and everyone that watches. It really does help. So please subscribe if you like the video. The more subscribers, the more watches we get, the better the videos get. So yeah, I really do appreciate it. Thanks, guys. I've installed it. We're going to give it a cold start, let it warm up, and then I'm going to give it a couple of revs for you. All right, let's get this thing started. So just before I do, in fact, I'll tell you a couple of things for the people who are thinking about buying it. So this down here, that was a pain in the arse to get off. You need a T40 to get that screw out, and you've only got that much gap. So bear that in mind if you're thinking about buying one. And not only that, down here you've got the rubber shocks. You don't know if you can see them properly, but I believe they're around here somewhere. But you have two rubber shocks. I had to use a hammer to get them straight because they weren't straight from factory. So, but other than that, the install was pretty easy. It was a tad bit annoying. Obviously, have to hammer stuff when it's brand new, but you just have to align it properly, and that's kind of it. So, without further ado, let's get it started up. So I did a decibel reading, and it's 103 decibels, but it's a cold start. So as you can see there, something I forgot to mention as well is I've taken the DB killer out as well straight off the bat. I got told that if you're going to do it before you install it. I'm assuming when it gets hot, it sticks to the pipe and it's difficult to get out, but yeah, really easy to get out before you do it. So yeah, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'll do another video. I might even put it to this video with the sound of the bike as well. So keep on watching. Love you.